Hi guys, so let's simplify these two questions today. The first question is 2 square root 5 whole square. Right, so what we have to do is we will do 2 square root 5 times 2 square root 5 because it is a square. So we will do whole number times whole number will give us 2 times 2, 4, and square root 5 times square root 5 will give us 5 straight away. All right, so it will be 4 times 5, which is 20. Right, now again, in case you do not know, square root 5 and square root 5 can be written as square root of 25, and that can be written as square root of 5 square, and square or square root can cancel, so that gives us 5, and that is where we have got this 5 from. All right, right. So now let's do the second question. So the second question says we have square root 2 over 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2, and we have to give our answer in the form of a plus square root b. Right, so first we will have to rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply and divide with the conjugate. So we have 2 square root 5 minus, so that minus will become plus because it is a conjugate, 3 square root 2 over 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2. Right, so in the numerator, now this square root 2 needs to be multiplied with both the terms. So that will give us 2 square root of 10 plus 3 square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2. All right, so I'll write square root 4 for now, but next term, in the next term, square root of 4 will become square root of 4 is 2 square, so that will become 2. Right, so we will replace that soon. All right, so in the denominator we have a plus a minus b is the first term and a plus b is the next term, so that will become a square minus b square. So that will be 2 square root 5 whole square minus 3 square root 2 whole square. All right, so now in the numerator we have 2 square root of 10 plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 2 square is 4 and 5 root 5 square is 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 minus 3 square is 9 and 2 square or root 2 square is 2. So that will give us 9 times 2 is 18. Right, so now let's simplify further. So we will get 2 root 10 plus 6, we can take 2 common, so we will be left with root 10 plus 3, and over 20 minus 18 is 2, so now that 2 and 2 will cancel, so we are left with root 10 plus 3. Right, now we have to give the answer in the form a plus root b. So root 10 is going to be root b, so we can write it as 3 plus root 10, and this is in the form of a plus root b. Right, I hope this makes sense. Right, have a good day.